Well, hey, hi, hello there. Welcome back to another episode of Golden Opportunities, where we talk about the hottest jobs in technology. And surprise, we have Trevor back for another episode, and we got Mike here. What's going on, Trevor?
Not much. It's a great weekend. So I'm doing great.
Good.
Doing great. How are you?
Doing pretty good. We had an okay weekend. We had the latest head cold and chest cold run through the whole house, and so
Nice.
everybody's on the mend. But
That's a bummer.
last weekend wasn't exactly exciting.
Yeah,
so,
not ideal.
Nah,
Not
but
ideal.
it's cool. It's out of the way now.
Yeah, I'm getting the sniffles right now, so I'm hoping that doesn't turn into anything, but
Yeah, hopefully not.
seasons. I don't know.
On that note, why don't we talk about some comedy instead
Let's
of this,
do it.
depressing illness
Let's
stuff.
do it. All right. Well, that's a funny thing because my first thing's about a doctor. So
Perfect.
why did the banana go to the doctor?
Why did the banana go to the doctor? I'm not sure.
It wasn't peeling well.
It wasn't peeling well. That's pretty good.
I got one more for you. What kind of shoes do ninjas wear?
What kind of shoes do ninjas wear?
Yes.
I got nothing.
Sneakers.
Sneakers. That's perfect. All right. Awesome. Well done. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. All right. I got a couple also.
All right.
Why did the jam need more room? Like grape jelly jam?
No idea.
Because it liked to spread out.
Oh, nice. That's a good one.
Yeah. Bring it on. It's funny.
That's funny.
All right. Let's see. What kind of dogs do scientists have?
Labradoodles.
Labs. You got it. Well done. All right.
It's been a while.
That's
since
enough
I got
of that. Yeah.
one,
All right. Well, hey, why don't you say we talk about some golden opportunities?
Let's do it.
The hottest jobs in technology, where we count down from job number 5 to job number 1 each week. And this week, job number 5 is a programmer level 2 position with a client in the Chesterfield, Missouri area.
Yes.
Let's hear about it.
Yes. So this one is a contract to hire position based in Chesterfield. What we're looking for there is C#.NET experience. So we'd love for you to be on .NET 6 or higher. But again, just mainly C#.NET experience would be great. It's going to be used in RESTful services as well. We'd love for somebody to have Angular JS experience. Git and DevOps would be a huge plus, but not necessarily required. The other big part of this is SQL development experience. So really looking for somebody who has some experience with developing, testing, and maintaining the SQL queries as well. So that's kind of what we're looking for on that one. That one is based out of Chesterfield, Missouri.
All righty. Moving right along, we have job number 4, which is an Azure Data Engineer level 2 position, and this is a remote opportunity.
Yes. Remote contract to hire. What we're looking for here is about 5 years of experience as a data engineer. Primary focus is going to be on Azure and then PySpark and big data technologies. So that's that. Also looking for somebody to be proficient in Python for building and optimizing data pipelines using PySpark. Looking for somebody who has some really solid experience with SQL as well. As far as cloud platforms, Azure is definitely going to be the heart of what you're doing, but we can consider somebody who comes from AWS or GCP as long as you have some Azure experience. And then other services that we'd love to have along with that would be EMR, Databricks, and then BigQuery experience. So that's kind of the gist of that role. That one is a contract to hire position, and it is remote.
All right, perfect. Job number 3 is a senior product manager role with a client in the Cincinnati, Ohio area.
Yes. So this one is going to be based around systems design. So really would love to have a product manager that has some experience working with designing systems and building those out. About 5 years of experience would be great. And then having some business-to-business customer-facing product experience would be great as well. So kind of building up products and then developing and like innovating new products too. So That's kind of what we're looking for on that one. That one is another contract to hire, and that one is based out of Cincinnati as well.
All righty. Moving right along, we have job number 2, which is a senior developer role with a client in the Cincinnati, Ohio area.
Yes. So what we're looking for on this one's about 7 to 10 years of development experience. Heart of this one's going to be Java and Spring Boot. So it's also going to be in React framework as well. So that's kind of the big 3 for this position. Would love for somebody to have some experience with REST APIs. SQL is another strongly preferred, having some development experience within SQL. And then Kafka is also something that will really separate you as well, having worked with real-time data pipelines and then applications through that too. So that's kind of what we're looking for on that one. And then that one is based out of Cincinnati as well, and it is a contract to hire.
Awesome. And you know what that means? It is down to job number 1. Program project portfolio lead is the top spot this week, and that is with a client in, well, it says Cincinnati/Charlotte. So tell us what that means.
Yeah, I gave you a lot to write on that one. So what we're looking for, I'll start with the location. So it can be in Cincinnati or Charlotte. So there's a couple different locations that we can consider candidates from.
All right.
So Cincinnati is one of those, and Charlotte is also one of those. The position is primarily focused on portfolio operations, but a program manager or a project manager with some portfolio experience would be really a great experience that we're looking for. So as far as this position, what we're looking for is somebody with third-party vendor management experience, having worked through the project is going to be with leading stakeholder groups and vendor teams as like the lead program and portfolio manager. So having some of the financials experience for being the portfolio manager, but also having the understanding of the technical aspects of the program management would be a perfect fit for what we're looking for here. So again, really looking for somebody to have experience working with stakeholders, third-party vendor management experience. Those are kind of the top 2. And then if you come from an agile background, that would be great. So
a bonus.
That would be great. That one is contract to hire as well.
Excellent. So there you have it, folks. That is our top 5 hottest jobs in technology for the week. We call them golden opportunities. Hey, Trev, something weird, something new, something fresh. What do you say if I'm out there watching the show? Maybe I'm a world-class technologist, as we like to say, and I'm interested in one of these positions. Maybe I'm ready to explore my options, and I want to learn more, or maybe I want to apply for one of those jobs. What can I do?
Yep. Best way to reach us would be to go to our website and go to our job portal there. So it's goldenitinc.com /job listings if you want to go straight to it, or you can click on the Get Hired tab. If you click Get Hired, it will take you to our job board that has everything that we've got available. So there's some new positions. There's some positions that we talked about today. A lot of different things that we have available.
Let's click on Programmer 2.
Let's do it. So
there we are.
You click on Programmer 2. You have your job description right there. If you click on Apply Now, then that will take you to the little pamphlet to be able to fill out all the information you need. You can attach your resume right there, and that will go directly to the recruiter assigned to this job. So super simple, super easy. We can reach out to you from there and let you know if it'll be a good fit. So that's a great way for you to get in touch with us. Otherwise, if you don't see anything, you've looked through our website, maybe you don't see something that you're interested in right now, or it's not a great fit for you. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of that website, there should be a little application. Didn't find a role that matches your skill set. If you submit your resume to that, then it will be. It's not attached to a job requisite. So your resume will just go into our system, and then once we have something available, say you're a Scrum Master, we don't have any Scrum Master available, then as soon as we open up a Scrum Master and it matches up with the keywords in your resume, you'll get automatically recommended based around our ATS system. So that's a great way for you to get in touch with us as well. It's a little bit more proactive. So I would encourage you to do that if you're actively looking for a role right now. Otherwise, connect with us on LinkedIn. Pretty active there. So would love to just connect with you there.
Yes, indeed. And I will echo that. Definitely reach out to us. We're live, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, Facebook. If you're watching live, leave us some comments. Let us know that you're out there. Let us know you're interested in something even specifically if one of the jobs perks your interest, tell us about it.
Yeah.
And, we'll get back to you a lot of times live during the show and sometimes shortly thereafter. If you're catching the show, on your feed a few days later, don't worry, leave us a comment anyway. We'll get back to you. And check that job board again. I'm going to put the website address up here again. It's goldenitinc.com/job-listings. Check it today. Check it often. Pretty much typically have about 75, 85 or somewhere in between jobs posted at any given time. So even if we don't have something right now that's up your alley, pretty soon we will. So bookmark it.
It's a great way to do it.
Keep it handy. Yeah.
Yep.
That's all I got for this week, man. So anything else you want to share before we get on out of here?
No, I hope everybody has a great weekend and look forward to seeing you again next week.
Absolutely. This has been Golden Opportunities with Mike and Trevor, and we appreciate you joining us. Be sure to check in next week. We're live every Friday, but we're getting out of here, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.